Thai food is one of the best cuisine in the world. The secret is in the balance in both flavors and texture. So you have sweet and sour, salty, spicy, soft and crunchy, and it's really like a symphony in your mouth. But unfortunately, Thai food outside Thailand is very, very different and is very disappointing to me. It lacks complexity, it lacks depth, and the flavor is only one note. I am so passionate about cooking and I'm so proud of my cuisine. My mother taught me cooking since I was little and I have cooked for many years. And now I want to share my secrets with you. My recipe has been tested over and over and they are perfect and foolproof so that you can make them in your own kitchen. So for me, every bite I put in my mouth has to be delicious. I don't eat shitty food because it's a waste of calories. I want to show you how to make authentic Thai food, food that you can only experience in Thailand. My course is designed for everybody, beginners or experts. There's so many things you cannot learn from a cookbook, but I will teach you. I am Som Kesa from Bangkok, and let me bring Thailand to your kitchen.